AG Tools Update 2.91. Now this video is about the latest update for AG Tools, which is a plugin for Autodesk Revit software. If this is your first time hearing about it, you can go to letsbimtogether.com and see what it does. However, this video again just focused on the latest updates. First, I fixed a bunch of glitches that were in the tab settings tool. Thank you to everybody that told me about them. Also, when you hover over any tool in the tooltip, now you'll see that it says F1 goes to a YouTube video of this tool's demonstration. So just to show you, let's say we go to template show hide, press F1. And here's the video. Sorry about the ad. I actually don't make money of these. YouTube just plays them anyway. As you see, it's going to be the demonstration of the exact tool and showing examples how it's used. So here's me somewhere clicking the button. Obviously, the video was taken a while ago, so the tool set had much less tools back then. Also, in the non-plot settings, I fixed a few bugs that were reported as well. And then I added non-plot dimensions. So here you can also hide certain dimension styles on top of, as you see here with the non-plot text. And we can do the same thing with the lines. This is controlled again right here. You could specify which text style, dimension style, or line style that you want to be non-plot. Now, obviously, if they're shown, they will plot. This is just kind of like a workaround to get to what def points in AutoCAD had. And you can erase all these items as well. There is one downgrade, unfortunately, and that's going to be this message here. So first time you're going to load AG Tools, you're going to see this pop up, and this will happen in every Revit version the first time you load it. Now, what's ridiculous is just the way I built this. You're going to have to press always load 24 times, and then after that, you won't see this message again. What happened was the code signing certificates, they shot up in price like 4, if not more times more expensive. So I'm looking for a cheaper alternative currently. As of right now, it is what it is. Hopefully you don't find it too much of a nuisance. Hopefully sometime soon I will release an update that takes care of this as well. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy using this tool set. It's awesome to see this many people use it also and, report different bug fixes, request features. So have a good day.